Good day everyone, I am Shaina Grace Valero from BSBA OM4A. This topic is all about the manufacture. It is the plan to manufacture furniture on demand. Let's download or install manufacturing and quality. Define the bill of materials. You need to click manufacturing and select product. Next, click new to change product name to table and change the sales price to 330 pesos and the cost to 115 pesos. Click the inventory rows to select manufacture and unselect buy. And always check the information if it's correct. Next, click New and change the product to Table. Click and align and the type Table Top and type Table Leg and type Bolt, then Save. Purchase raw materials. To purchase raw materials, click Purchase to click New and change the vendor name to Only Woods Incorporation. Next, click and product to type tabletop, type table leg, then change the quantity to 400 and unit price to 12. Type bolt to change the quantity to 400 and unit price to 0.50. Then click Confirm Order and click Send Purchase Order by email. Fill up the information of Only Woods Incorporation and check information before sending it. Receive products. To receive products, click Inventory and click to process and click to see the information and click Validate to see if the information are correct. Manufacture 3 tables. In Manufacture 3 tables, click Operation to select manufacturing orders. Click New and change the product name to Table and quantity to 3. Then save, click Confirm and click the information if it's correct before selecting Produce All. Set up routines and work centers. In routines and work centers, click Product to select Bills of Materials, click Table to click Operations, and click Add and Align to type Assembly in Operation and Assembly Station to Work Center. Then click Save and New. Type Painting in Operation and type Painting Room in Work Center. Then save and close and save. Then click Assembly in Worksheets. Select PDF, upload your file, then save. Plan a manufacturing order. To plan an order, we need to see the Work Center overview. To click Operation to show manufacturing orders. Then click New in Product to select Table, then save manually. Click the Operations again to show work orders. Then click the Assembly Station. Then click the Work Instruction. Then click Product to click Open Shop Floor and select Assembly Station. Then mark as done. Go back to the operation to see the information and mark as done. Then click the operation to go to work orders to see this information. Add a quality check. To add a quality check, in Quality Overview, click Quality Control to show control points. Then click New to add a title and type turquoise setting. And in Product Select, table and change the type of measure in control per select or operation, while in product categories, select all in operation type my of manufacturing to show this. Then in type of operation, select manufacturing. Then in reservation method, select manually. In NERM type 13, then change to NM. In tolerance, type 11 to 15, back to operation, then type my of manufacturing, select manufacturing and type 000. Then save and close. Then in work order operation, select assembly, while in worksheet page, type 3, and in team, select main quality team. Check your quality test. To check your quality test, go to Work Center Overview to click Operation, show Manufacturing Orders, then click New in Product, type Table in Bill of Material, type Table, then save manually, go to Operations again, then click Assembly Station to show Components, click Actions, and mark as done to show this click Table, then click Work Orders to show this information. Control Cost page. To control costs in Work Center Overview, click Product to show the bill of materials. Then click the product to select the table to show this. Then click Actions to show the BAM overview. Thank you for listening.